For years, print and apply meant compromises, endless roll changes, constant maintenance, downtime you couldn't afford. Imagine a printer built for more efficiency, more output, more freedom. We present the Vario Plus, linerless, a printer with 2 million cuts without cutter maintenance. That's 20 times more than traditional systems ever delivered. And with zero liner waste, every label means less material, less disposal, and a cleaner footprint for the planet. Experience super quick paper change. Faster, easier, and built for uninterrupted workflows. And with 40% more paper on the same roll size, you save resources and run longer. Vario Plus, linerless, the most advanced printer for your print and apply system.